My name is Leonard Hochstein. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon practicing in Miami. I decided at an early age that I was more interested in the quality of my patient's life than the quantity. And I felt that plastic surgery was the only true field where quality of life is of paramount importance. I'm actually able to change things that people are self-conscious about, whether it's something that you've always had, something that you've developed through aging, or just anything that you feel is a shortcoming. I can make a direct effect on your appearance and actually change somebody's outlook on themselves and their life.
So you can breathe like a baby.
I absolutely love what I do. It is an absolute pleasure for me to go into work every day. It's very rare for someone to have something that they so much like and so much enjoy that every week is just a joy going to the office to see my patients and do the procedures. But there's absolutely no greater pleasure than seeing a patient from their initial consultation through the surgery to their recovery, and then after the recovery, when everything is done, how it changes them, how it changes their personality, how it changes the way they interact with other people, the clothes they wear, the types of things that they do. It's a tremendous, tremendous pleasure to see that kind of effect. I opened up my office in Aventura about 9 years ago. Initially, it was a very small operation where it was just myself and another person with obviously a surgical team. As my practice has grown, we have 10 full-time employees who are here for nothing else than to care for my patients in performing surgery and post-surgical care. I have a board-certified anesthesiologist on staff who does all of my anesthesia. He has been with me for 2 years and has done every single procedure with me. I have a registered nurse who does all of the recovery and checks all of the patient's health studies and labs tests before I ever perform an operation. And then of course we have an excellent front office team that makes sure that every concern, every question is answered and that everybody is treated with the utmost respect. My office is pretty much predicated on safety. My track record speaks for itself, and we do everything possible to make sure that this is a pleasant, safe experience for everybody that comes to see me. In the time that I've opened my office here, I've had the pleasure of being honored by several publications and several outlets of media. I've been featured in the Miami Herald discussing breast implants. I did a feature for National Geographic discussing the toxins that are used in medicine. I did a show about my life and the lives of a few other plastic surgeons in South Florida entitled Miami Slice, and that was shown on Bravo. And I did one of the original entertainment specials on plastic surgery along with Dr. Robert Ray, which was done about 5 years ago, discussing plastic surgery and how celebrities use it to maintain their appeal and longevity of their career. And most recently, I've been featured in Ocean Drive magazine in their story of the plastic surgeons in South Florida.
A little sanctuary.
Although over the years I've become known as the doctor who specializes in breast augmentations, I found that a lot of my patients require other procedures as well. And the other surgeries are things that I truly enjoy, things such as liposuction, tummy tucks, and facial rejuvenation procedures really add up to the entire package. And sometimes these procedures can be done at the same time. That's something that I certainly offer to my patients, and I find that the convenience of being able to get more than one procedure done at one time is a tremendous help in the recovery process.
So you can breathe like a baby.
Over the years, a tremendous amount of literature has been put out as to how a patient should choose a plastic surgeon. And unfortunately, in the political correct arena that we're in, it only touches the surface of what you should look for. I think in the past, the stresses have been in choosing a plastic surgeon that's board certified. You need to be sure that there are plenty of pictures of his work, the before and the after, that you're able to evaluate. There should be multiple examples of the type of surgery you're looking for you to peruse. It's very important that you have a critical eye as to what the outcomes are, the before and the after. At the same time, you need to also have a realistic expectation of what the surgeon can do and what can be done for you individually. Everybody's different, and it's up to the surgeon to point out those differences and discrepancies and give you the best possible outcome for your own physique. I've always believed that the person's appearance should be a reflection of how they truly feel on the inside. And it's always been my goal to attain that for all of my patients. Everybody has their own ideas of what they want for themselves, what they're conscious about. And it's the pleasure of my job in being able to provide that for them.